This is a question from software engineering. We are given two statements. One is assertion A and another is reason R. And assertion A is validity checks the real need of system users, and reason R is completeness checks system user defined requirements. And we are asked to find out which of the correct is the option given below. Option A is both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B is both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. C is A is true, R is false. D is A is false but R is true. So let's see how to answer it. Let's read the assertion. It is saying that validity checks the real need of system users. Yes, validity checks are essential to ensure that the system meets the real need and requirements of the system users. So this statement is true. And we'll see reason R. It says that completeness checks system user defined requirements. And completeness checks are indeed about verifying the system user defined requirements are fully captured. So this statement is also true. But this statement or this reason R, it does not directly explain the concept of validity checks. So both A and R are independent. A as well as R are independent. Also, R does not directly provide an explanation for assertion A. So we can say that both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. So based on the options, option B is the correct answer here. This is a question from software engineering. We are given two statements. One is assertion A and another is reason R. And this is a question from software engineering. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is labeled as reason R. And the assertion is validity checks is the real need of system users. Reason R, completeness checks system user defined requirements. In the light of above statements, we are asked to choose which is the correct option given. And there are four options. Option A is both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false.